Letterland.
Let's learn with story phonics. Vowels out walking stories. Choose a vowel man.
Good day, I'm Mr. A. I say my name, A. I'm Yellow Yo-Yo Man. I say Y. When we go out walking together, you'll hear me say my name, A. You won't hear me because I'm too busy looking out for robots.
Explore. Mr. A and Yellow Yo-Yo Man are out walking. Mr. A does the talking.
A.
Let's say his name again. A. Today they are going on holiday. They like to get away in May. Letterland Airways is delayed on the runway. There's time to play or get a takeaway. Look, Tess has a takeaway on a tray. Takeaway. X-ray. Tray. Holiday. Delay. Subway. Words. Click on the Letterlanders to hear the sound they make in words. Spray. Play. Holiday. Takeaway. Tray. Song. When two vowels go out walking, the first man does the talking. The first man says his name, A, but his friend won't do the same. But his friend won't do the same.
His friend is the lookout man, watching for the robot band, who catch vowels when they can, as they walk through Letterland. As they walk through Letterland.
Now we're going to do AI.
Good day, I'm Mr. A. I say my name, A. Hi, I'm Mr. I say my name, I. When we go out walking together, you'll hear me say my name, A. You won't hear me because I'm too busy looking out for robots.
Explore. Mr. A and Mr. I are out walking. Mr. A does the talking.
A.
Let's say his name again. A. They are waiting for a train. Can you see the train? Can you see the rain? The man painting hates the rain, but that snail loves the rain. Train. Mail. Rain. Painter. Chain. Grain. Snail. Sail. Trail. Words. Click on the Letterlanders to hear the sound they make in words. Rain. Paint. Snail. Train. Chain. Song. When two vowels go out walking, the first man does the talking. The first man says his name, A, but his friend won't do the same.
is the lookout man, watching for the robot band, who catch vowels when they can, as they walk through Letterland, as they walk through Letterland.
Awesome. Let's go to word building and see if we can build some words now. Let's go ahead first and get our
Word building.
cards that we
Click
need.
on the cards you would like to
Let's
build
see.
words with.
We need Mr. A. We need Dippy Duck, Mr. I, Lucy Lamplight, Noisy Nick, Peter Puppy, Red Robot, Talking Tess, Walter Walrus, Mr. A and Mr. I, Mr. A and Yellow Yo-Yo Man, and Munching Mike. Now, let's see if you can help me make some words. Okay, let's put this, let's start with Red Robot. Rain. Let's put a T on that word and see what we have. Let's put TR together. Train. Train. Okay, let's remove some of these and put a Lucy Lamplight on the end. Let's tap this one together. Tail. Tail. Let's put Walter Walrus at the front, Mr. A and Mr. I, and let's put Talking Tess there. Let's tap those together. Wait. Now we're going to try some with Mr. A and Yellow Yo-Yo Man. That down here. That. Let's tap this one. Day. Okay, the next one. I'm going to move that D and let's put an L there. Let's try this again. Lay. Day, lay. Oh, let's put Peter Puppy on here and see what we have. What do Peter Puppy and Lucy Lamplight say together? Play. Good job. We're going to do some more words, and we may have already done some of these words, but I want to make sure that we cover all the ones in live reading. Let's see. Sound. Sound. A. And sound. Wait. Please wait for me. Let's put Mr. A and Yellow Yo-Yo Man here. Way. Which way should I run? Here's Munching Mike, Mr. A and Mr. I, and Noisy Nick. Let's tap that together, please. Main. I would like to go to the main stage. Let's get rid of these and let's try Mr. A and Yellow Yo-Yo Man. Let's tap this, please. May I please go to my friend's house? And let's try some of these other words. Here's one again. I think we've already had this one. What do they say together? Train. Train. This is one we have not had. Let's see if you can get this one. TR says tr, and Mr. A and Yo-Yo Man say A. Let's put those together. Tray. Very good. We'll be looking for these words when we're reading now. Till next time.
Are you ready to bye-bye? See you again soon.